Welcome to lesson number 7, and in this lesson we are going to learn about silence in music. And in music we have a symbol which represents silence, and two of them we will cover in this lesson. One is quarter rest and the other is called half rest. Okay, and if you look at the quarter rest, it looks like a wriggly line on the staff, and this symbol is called quarter rest. It indicates one beat of silence, which means do not play any note. And also remember, the small counting numbers are placed under the rest, which means that you are to count the beat but do not play any note. All right, the next one where we're going to look at is called the half rest. And if you look at the half rest carefully, it is a rectangular shape which sits on the third line of the staff. Remember, half rest sits on the third line of the staff, and this indicates 2 beats of silence. Okay, so do not play any note for 2 beats. And let's demonstrate that in the song called When the Saints Go Marching In. Let's look at just the first line. And in the first line, if you look at the first beat, we have a quarter rest. So we will count the beat by saying 1, but we will not play the key. All right, so let's look at the first line. Here we go. So I'll just count 4 beats first and then start playing the song. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice I am counting the beat, but I am not playing the key. I'm releasing the key when the rest comes. One more time slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the second line. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the third line we see a half rest, which means 2 beats we are going to count but not play the key. So let's do the third line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we see how quarter rest and half rest are executed in the music. All right, just make sure that you release the key. All right, now let's play the whole song slowly with left hand chords. 1. So now this time, instead of counting 1, I'm just going to say rest wherever rest comes. If there is a half rest, then I'm going to say rest, rest. All right, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, 4. 1, 2. Rest. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest, rest. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Crossover. 3, 4. Okay, so it's written over the left hand crossover, play with finger number 2. So the last two measures will be like this. 1, 2 is the E, 3 is G, 4 is the C, E, G, crossover, make a rainbow shape, arch shape, and drop. Okay, don't flatten the finger, let it be stable. So let me play the whole thing now at a proper tempo without counting. Alright, so go slow, practice 5 times till you get fluent in playing this. And remember, we learned quarter rest, half rest, and we will also learn a third rest called whole rest, which is also in this same piece. Just look at the first measure in the bass clef. You see that there is a rectangular shape which actually hangs on the second line, and it actually looks exactly like the half rest. The difference is that the whole rest hangs on the second line and half rest sits on the third line. And the whole rest basically means that you do not play for 4 beats. And if you notice in the first bar, that's why we were not playing anything for the entire 4-beat bar, anything in my left hand. So let's just do the first bar. Here we go. Rest, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see that? So left hand was not playing in the first bar because it says don't play left hand in the first measure. All right. So I hope you understood in this lesson. Quarter rest is for 1 beat silence, half rest for 2 beats of silence, and then we have a symbol called whole rest which indicates 4 beats of silence. It's very important to maintain the silence whenever they appear in the music sheet. All right, see you in the next lesson. Bye bye for now.